we need an idea. Let's pick something. I'm gonna pick something that I love to eat, pizza. All right, pizza, and I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna list three things that I'm fond of and see if it can create an animation or some kind of video from those three words. I'm not saying this is the way to do it, but this is something that's different. I want it to have maybe the theater and music. All right. So I'm going to ask it now. Give me, see what it does. So here's a really funny one. The very first one just hit me right off the top of my head. Just kind of hit me with a ton of bricks. Parody trailer where a masked figure haunts a pizzeria instead of an opera house every time someone bites into a slice. Dramatic organ music kicks in. I kind of like that one a lot. So let's pick on that one. So now we have an idea, right? Right? First thing, we have an idea. Keep our things in mind. Let's go back. Let's think about our idea. We're going to take number one, right? So another thing, I don't know if I told you this in the last lesson, but what I do is I like to call on ChatGPT with a name. And for me, my name for him is teacher. Teacher, I'm writing a 1 minute video. I love idea number one. Let's build out a 1 minute script, video script. Make sure you say video script for this idea. We're not taking this as a verbatim what we're going to use, but this is something that we can do immediately. We can get a script immediately. You can go back in and change things if you want, but that's the fastest way to create a script. What I like about ChatGPT, and the other ones might do this too, but right away it talks about there's a title, Phantom of the Pizza, and it times out everything. First 15 seconds, the setup. It's already telling us what shots we should take. All right, the setting. This is the setting, interior setting, close up. That's the camera angle or camera movement or camera shot. Um, Action as he places it down, haunting organs swells, right? That's mood, that's atmosphere, diners glass around, it's additional actions. And then if we're lucky, which it's very rare that you will get good sound off of your renditions first try, you have some dialogue here. All right. So it goes in scene by scene by scene and tells you. Now, this is, of course, this is only a 1 minute scene or 1 minute movie, so it's going to be very short. People think, well, I can do this. I can pump out an animation in 1 day. You probably could, but if you want to finesse it, if you want to make it your own, if you want to direct it, if you want to time it out, you can. I suggest you strongly take your time while you're doing it. So we have our initial things here, right? We have the video script. We have it all timed out. We also have additional scaffolding. And the scaffolding, by the way, if you're writing a book and you're looking for chapters, if you're writing by chapters, if you ask ChatGPT to scaffold out your chapter, it's amazing what you'll get. I blew my mind when I first used it. It's really cool. So we have additional sound effects, footsteps, echo. Shot four, phantom emerges from behind counter. These are all shots, right? Camera shots. Um, and so this is when it says line and talk, it's talking about the dialogue. And then there's additional sound effects there. So we kind of have a really great setup, really great structure ready for our little animation movie. So now what we're going to do is we're going to keep this open, but in our next video, we're going to actually open up Google VO. Actually, before we do that, let's tell you what, let's go over here And let's have ChatGPT. So I'll say, teacher, um, write a prompt. I'm going to say a richly descriptive prompt for each of my scenes that I can use in Google VO, right? And so it's just going to save us a lot of time. And then we'll just take our prompts and then take that over to Google VO. So what we're going to do here is we'll have this open. So we have a title card, pretty cool. We have a title card. First scene, I mean, these are pretty nice, right? If you think about it, the first three words were basically three of the things. We have the subject, we had the location or setting, and we had another music. I didn't give it any other type of instructions. I didn't say the mood or anything like that, but that's kind of what we were going for. So I think we found it right away, so we didn't really need those other things. And what I liked about it was that it's built in. It's already given us all of the camera angles, so we don't really need to worry about that. But it's a great structure to think about when you're first starting out to have all that information ahead of time. All right, I just want to keep that in mind. So now that we have the prompts, we can open these up, keep this open, and in our next video, we will show you in Google VEO how to get this all taken care of.